Welcome to 𝗞𝗶𝗰𝗸𝘀 Tech Consulting. We are proud to introduce ourselves as a leading cybersecurity training enterprise, dedicated to providing high-quality and practical courses for aspiring and experienced cybersecurity professionals. In addition to our training programs, we also offer IT services and provide a skilled workforce for cybersecurity security operations centers and information technology in general.
Our mission is threefold. 1. Enhance business value by delivering the best technical solutions in the field of cybersecurity. 2. Provide the expertise necessary to protect companies' assets and businesses. 3. Train world-class IT security engineers, analysts, responders, and managers to fulfill the evolving needs of companies in the digital age. Our vision is to contribute to the creation of a safe, secure, and transparent IT world.
At 𝗞𝗶𝗰𝗸𝘀 Tech Consulting, we offer a comprehensive range of courses spanning various domains and levels of cybersecurity, including CompTIA Security Plus, Security Operations Center, penetration testing, forensics, incident response, and more. These courses are meticulously designed and delivered by certified and experienced instructors who possess the expertise and enthusiasm to impart the latest and most relevant knowledge and techniques.
Our courses stand out for their interactivity and engagement, featuring lectures, hands-on labs, quizzes, real-world projects, and simulations to ensure that you not only acquire knowledge but also have the opportunity to apply it and test your understanding.
What sets us apart from other cybersecurity training enterprises are our commitment to quality, flexibility, and affordability. We maintain a dynamic feedback system that allows us to continuously refine our courses and services. Our core values of excellence and professionalism drive us to provide the best possible learning experience for you. At 𝗞𝗶𝗰𝗸𝘀 Tech Consulting, our goals revolve around helping you achieve your cybersecurity career and personal aspirations. Whether you aim to earn certifications, secure a job, advance in your career, or gain essential skills, our strategies are centered on understanding your unique learning needs, offering tailored and accessible courses, and supporting you throughout your learning journey. We encourage you to explore further and learn about us and our courses by visiting our website, following us on social media, or reaching out to us directly. We eagerly anticipate the opportunity to connect with you and have the privilege of teaching you. At 𝗞𝗶𝗰𝗸𝘀 Tech Consulting, your success is our foremost priority.